I'm very happy, I'm very proud because I have a great support, especially of my fans. For me, motorcycle racing is a great passion. It's like the dream of my life to race in the World Championship.
Rossi is the 125cc world champion for 1997.
Number one, as you can see, and today he will answer in English to our question. How do you feel?
No, parlo italiano. Imparerò l'anno prossimo, va bene? Una promessa. Volevo Osvaldo che mi ha supportato in tutti questi anni di carriera e l'anno prossimo sicuramente sarà ancora con me.
Rossi wins the race, but more importantly, he wins his second World Championship.
Over the top they go. Rossi has the advantage. Valentino Rossi wins the race. Rossi, the new World Champion.
Valentino Rossi will take victory and the world title here at Rio de Janeiro.
Valentino Rossi wins his 5th world title.
Thank you very much to Honda. Unfortunately, next year we don't race together.
Rossi goes through. Valentino Rossi wins his Africa's Grand Prix from Yamaha. Can you believe it?
It's Rossi on the Yamaha. He is the world champion. He is the winner of the Australian Grand Prix. Rossi clinches the title.
7 world titles for Valentino Rossi. Oh, Rossi's gone down. Rossi's down. Rossi's down. Rossi has lost the world championship.
Learn to lose is a very important thing because everybody loses sometimes. But the style and the character when you lose is so important. Also for try to win another time.
Rossi comes straight back at the corkscrew. And Rossi runs off track and puts his phone away. What amazing stuff here, Valentino Rossi.
We salute the 2008 MotoGP World Champion Valentino Rossi.
And Rossi's invented something in the final corner, but Lorenzo gets close to the back, and Rossi has beaten him. Valentino Rossi becomes the world champion 2009, his 7th MotoGP crown.
Goodbye, darling. The last podium finish for Valentino Rossi at Yamaha. 46 Grand Prix victories and 4 World Championships. Valentino Rossi is back. Rossi wins at Assen, his first Grand Prix victory for 2.5 years. Grand Prix victory. Rossi wins here in Assen.
long journey, but I'm very proud of my career because I enjoy a lot.
Sono naturalmente molto orgoglioso di essere fra i più grandi piloti della storia delle moto, perché quando si inizia a correre è già un sogno vincere una gara, no? E invece essere diventato uno dei più forti, uno di quelli che ha vinto di più, è un grandissimo onore per me.